We're back at the orchard. It's Friday. Have a good weekend, people. I've got to work again tomorrow, so oh well. Let's see what we do today. Today, there's another bit we did. Looks good. Now we got this bit to go. Boys are still setting up. Oh, I'm bucking that I'm sick today, guys, but oh well. We'll make it happen.
Slip down my hand.
Okay. We got the first bit in. First 2 trucks down. Another bit looks awesome up there. Time to extend. Big Master Chris is on the screen. Jordan here, my other son. On the mag, and Utah, Mama Boy on the bull float. We got Ryan and we got Jay. Ryan on the rake, Jay on the pump. Put the pressure on him now. Master Chris in action. Not many people have seen this happen. It's like a myth. He's come out of the bush. Master Chris Screed's good. He learned off the best. One of the best. Boys have got it all prepped for him. Beautiful. You can feel the pressure. The pressure's on him. He knows over 1,000 people are going to watch this. What's he going to do? We'll come back here a bit. Jordan on the bullfight now. See, we all do different jobs. Whatever has to be done has to be done. No one's specific job. Everyone just do what you have to do to get the job done. Alright, that's enough of Chris's screeding. Big Troy over there, organising the ship. Action shot there. Beautiful. Okay, we've got this much in now. We've been going flat out. Trucks have been coming at us. 2 boys are in it. Me and Chris have been going hard. Utah's having a go now. Looking good. Beautiful screeding there by Chris. Oh my God. Flatter than your mum's ass when she's sitting down. All the way. Looks good. Nice there, Utah.
Yeah, I did all of it.
You did all of it. All the way. Utah, come on, bullfight this stuff. Hey, mate. Looking good. Been bullfighted. This hasn't been bullfighted. Another little key joint here. Beautiful time. All right, action on. Broken it up to here so far. And she's going off fast. She went in fast, so she's probably going to go off fast.
No, I haven't tried this side.
No, he hasn't done it yet. No.
Got to do the front bit.
Looking good, looking good. Okay, broken up to there now. It's all broomed off already. Looking good.
We're excited about 2018. New containers with new designs have been ordered and are landing.
Drawing fast.
Fast are Thunderbird's dining specialists.
From 1 metre dining tables to 3 metres and more, we have all options covered. Real wood, recycled old doors, boat timbers, mango and Indian rosewood. Hand sanded, German lacquered. Soft to the hand, created from the heart.
Fast Interior Thunderbird. We make quality furniture affordable. 130 Bourbon Street, right next to Best and Less. OxyPay now available.
They're the most precious thing in your world. When it comes time to enrol your baby in childcare, choose the warm, nurturing, natural environment.
Okay, we've broomed all the way up to there now. And it's not all broken. Looking pretty good. It actually went off a little bit faster on this side because I screeded it so much faster than Chris. It went off faster.
I did this side.
Bullshit.
You're on that side, yeah? Don't say that shit, Chris. If you fucking feed it down.
What I'm trying to say, but if someone does screed faster than the other person, it's gonna make it go off quicker than the other side. So you wanna screed evenly together. So then it goes off evenly together. Hey, that's what we learnt. We know this, but still. Holy shit, look at the guns on this fella.
Fucking where's that?
Yeah. Jordan. Jordan was looking. Say hello. Beautiful. Nice work. Guitar's brooming the last little bit. And she's done. Just gotta trail out her footprints. When you take the helicopter off a slab, you gotta twist the helicopter. If you don't twist the helicopter, it can stick to the concrete and leave a big hole in the concrete. And it's the worst time of day to leave a hole in the concrete when it's already gone off. Beautiful broom in there. Last broom.
Second last.
Second last.
Yeah.
Beautiful. All the way, all the way. Yeah. Beautiful. Two more big sections to go on this driveway. So that'll be part 3 and 4 to this video. Keep an eye out for it. And make sure to send us your videos or your photos. The more people send me videos and photos, the less I have to do. Hey, Utah. Nice. Alright, that's job done for the day. Time to go home. Thanks, Utah. Thanks, guys. See ya. Okay, that's the job for today. I'm very sick today, so I don't feel very well. I've got a cold, but shit happens. Still got to come to work and do your thing. So yeah. Anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe, write a comment, tell me how much you appreciate it. If you appreciate it, I'll keep doing more for you. Wow. Have fun, guys. Have an awesome weekend. I'm doing a job tomorrow. I might do a video tomorrow. I'll see what happens. But anyway, bye for now. Okay, day's over. We started at 7:30 and it is, what the fuck is it? 12:53. Awesome. So what'd that take us? 5 hours. Nice job, boys. Bye.